Hey there, my friends. Corrections to Turnip Seed here, and I'm actually here coming to talk to you about moolah, money, money, money. Mainly credit. Okay, that's gonna be a common theme. So, did you know that your credit score affects 30% of your credit score? All right. Um, so it's really important to pay attention to the balances that you carry on your credit score or on your credit card cards. So it's really important because there's a ratio, and the closer you get to your credit limit, that can negatively impact your credit score. So one thing that you want to do is try as much as possible to pay off what you charge on your credit card balance every month. Pay off what you charge for that month. Um, you know, some people use their credit cards to, of course, maximize reward points and score awesome travel deals and so on and so forth. Um, but just make sure as much as possible that you know what your credit card limit is, and second, make sure that you pay that off as much as possible, and try not to go close to your credit limit because it's called a credit utilization ratio, and the higher you get to your credit limits, the more that's going to negatively impact your credit score. All right. Don't make the mistake of, increasing your credit limit. Some people say, oh, I'll just increase my credit limit. But if that's going to cause you to get into more credit card debt and you're going to be tempted to make bigger purchases, then don't do that. Okay. So here's my challenge to you. Take a few minutes today to review your credit cards just to see, what you're using, what your credit limit or your credit limit is. Know your interest rates on those cards, your annual fees, and what rewards you get for that. Okay, so that you can make sure that the credit card that you're using is best suited for you. Okay, and that's pretty much it. One thing that I want to just point out is you shouldn't cancel the first card that you ever open. Never cancel that, because that's the card you've held the longest, and that's going to help keep your credit up. Okay, so don't do that. All right. So I hope this was of value to you. If you would like to know what I utilize to help me not only monitor my credit, improve my credit, I want you to, if you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to check out the comment section below. And if you're watching this in Facebook land, what I want you to do is check out the comment section above, because there'll be some information about how you can learn more about improving your credit and actually making money in the process without ever having to recruit anybody, and give yourself a raise. All right. So one of the main reasons why a lot of people get into debt in the first place is because they don't have enough cash flow. Did you know that you could give yourself a pay raise on your job simply, right? And we show you how to do that. All right. So I want to get you connected to the information. And here's to improving your credit. Here's to knowing the who, what, when, where, why, and learning it, and doing what you got to do and getting that cash flow together. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.